How to make cupcake toppers and wrappers with printables. I printed these on letter-sized glossy photo paper. First, we'll start with the wrappers. I like to separate each one, then cut the sides and the bottom, leaving the top. Now you can use your regular scissors to finish the top, but if you have some fancy edge ones, you might as well use those and add a little extra glamour. When I offer this option to customers, they always go for the fancy edge ones. You can hot glue or tape it up to close it. For the topper rounds, obviously you can just cut it. I again suggest cutting each one separate. But if you have 12 or more of these to do, it's gonna feel like
it is taking forever. And it will.
Okay, enough of that. Let's speed things along.
Now if you don't want to do this by hand, I highly suggest getting one of these. I always trim a bit off the page so I can make sure each round is centered with my craft punch. You absolutely need this if you're making these for a customer, because perfection is key. These 2.5-inch rounds are for hiding the stick on the back, but they can also be used as labels. And obviously I have a craft punch for this because I don't like personal torture. These craft punches might be a little bit pricey, but they're 100% worth it, saving your hands and time. You can hot glue your rounds to any kind of stick, but I prefer paper straws because I can usually find a matching color. Please like this video if you found it helpful today. There are cracks in my cupcakes because they're fake. I have a major sweet tooth and my health cannot afford to always be buying cupcakes for my demos. For more videos like this, click over here, and remember, you are epic.